Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable microphone and camera access in Windows 11. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let us get started. First of all, what you need to do is click on the Start icon from the bottom. Then from here, go to Settings. After that, go to the Privacy and Security option. Here, scroll down and you will get both options, camera and microphone. First, let me show you how to disable camera permission. Click on the camera option. If you want to disable camera permission for all apps, then from the right side, turn off this permission for all. But if you want to keep permission for some apps and disable it for others, then turn on the option that says, Let apps access your camera. After that, enable only those apps for which you want to allow camera permission. That is it. Now let me show you how to disable microphone access for some apps. Just go back from here and open the microphone option. In the same way, keep enabled the permission for the apps you want to allow, and disable it for the apps you do not want to give permission. So friends, this is the way how you can enable and disable microphone and camera permissions on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.